And we called it Comanchero. The name came from a book that we were reading when I was at school of American folklore. And that was one of the chapters about the Comancheros. Stuck in my head all my life. There was some stories about 1-year-old, 10, 11, who had read this. And then you can get the name out of your head.
He rose through the night like a ghost in the wind, on a Harley that growls like the devil's own kin. Every town he leaves, there's a story to tell, a kiss left behind and a heart broke to hell. They say he's a shadow, they say he's a flame, but all that he leaves is a whispered name. Raise your glass, boys, and toast to his ride, the Comanchero outlaw with nowhere to hide. He's a legend of sin, a soul torn apart, chasing the road and running from his heart. There's a sheriff in Dallas, a dead in Abilene, a widow in Tucson who still calls him mean. He's got enemies praying he'll meet his last stand, but he's slick as the smoke slipping through their hands. He's a king without a crown, a throne made of steel, with the law on his heels and the devil on his wheel. Every mile he rides, he's chasing peace, but the ghosts of his past, they never cease. Raise your glass, boys, and toast to his ride, the Comanchero outlaw with nowhere to hide. He's a legend of sin, a soul torn apart, chasing the road and running from his heart. In a bar down in Reno, they still speak his name, pour whiskey and toast to his outlaw fame. The jukebox hums low, the stories run deep of a man who traded love for the road's cruel key.
Tell them when to buy petrol, they tell them we're going to power. They don't tell us when we bury our dead and how we bury our dead.